here. When you think of Australian food, one of the first things that comes to mind is the iconic Aussie BBQ. It's not just a way of cooking, it's a way of life. In backyards, on beaches, at parks, and even in the bush, the BBQ brings people together in a way few other traditions can. So, what makes an Australian BBQ unique? Let's start with the basics. Australians love to cook outdoors. Whether it's summer or even on a cool winter day, the grill is always ready. You'll often find gas barbecues fired up and sizzling with everything from juicy beef steaks and lamb chops to sausages, what Aussies call snags. These snags are thick, flavorful, and packed with herbs and spices. Sometimes they're served simply on a slice of bread with onions and a squirt of tomato sauce. Simple, but absolutely delicious. Seafood is also a big part of the Aussie BBQ, especially in coastal areas. Grilled prawns, or shrimp on the barbie, as the stereotype goes, are fresh, sweet, and lightly charred for that perfect smoky flavor. You might also find barramundi, a popular native fish, or even scallops and squid skewers sizzling on the grill. Lamb is another favorite. Australia is one of the world's top producers of lamb, and the BBQ is the perfect place to enjoy it. Lamb cutlets seasoned with rosemary, garlic, and lemon are crowd pleasers, and slow-cooked lamb shoulders are often done over charcoal for a richer, smokier taste. Vegetarians don't miss out either. Grilled corn on the cob, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, and zucchini all shine on the barbecue. You'll also find fresh salads on the table, things like potato salad, coleslaw, or a crisp green salad with a tangy vinaigrette. And what would an Aussie BBQ be without its sauces and condiments? Barbecue sauce, mustard, tomato relish, and the ever-popular beetroot slices make appearances on many plates. Yes, beetroot. Australians love adding it to burgers and sandwiches for a sweet, earthy touch. But here's the thing. Aussie BBQ isn't just about the food. It's about community. It's about sharing stories, music, and laughter while the sun sets and the grill keeps sizzling. It's a relaxed, no-fuss experience. No fancy table settings, just good food, cold drinks, and great company. It's also incredibly diverse. Thanks to Australia's multicultural society, BBQs often reflect different cultural flavors. You'll see Greek-style souvlaki, spicy Malaysian satays, or even Korean-style short ribs making their way onto Aussie grills. The Aussie BBQ continues to evolve, becoming a celebration of Australia's rich culinary tapestry. So whether you're flipping snags in your backyard, grilling prawns by the beach, or gathering around a campfire in the outback, the Australian BBQ is more than just a meal. It's a tradition, a celebration, and a delicious slice of Aussie culture.